In this video I will show you how to upgrade the firmware of EN5000. We need only one USB cable. This is micro B USB cable connected to a computer or laptop, and we can connect the cable to the timer and the timer will be powered up. So this is enough for firmware upgrade. Second, we have to identify which COM port to use on the computer. To do this, we have to start the firmware upgrade tool. So this is the tool. On the tool, we can select the COM port from here. Currently, we can see that only two COM ports are available, COM1 and COM3. So to find which one is ours, we have to close the application. We have to disconnect the device. Then we have to open the application again. And we can see that only COM1 is available. This means that COM3 is our COM port. So we will close the application again. We will connect the USB back to the unit. The unit will be powered up. Then we have to navigate to our firmware upgrade function. So we have to press home. Then we have to go to main settings. We have to select the main settings. This is the warning message. Then we have to press plus and home. Then we are going to main settings. Then we have to navigate to the very bottom. So the option just before the bottom one. This is firmware upgrade. And once we press enter, we will put the device in firmware upgrade mode. Currently the device is waiting for connection. Now we have to start the firmware upgrade tool. Now we know that our COM port is 3, so we will select this from this menu. Then we have to select our firmware. So the latest is version 1.11. We will select this one. And when we press upload button, the firmware upload will start. So once we press upload, we can see that the red LED goes on. Then we can see that erasing flash function started. Once the flash is erased, then the unit starts receiving the new firmware. And once it's completed, there is a message showing upload is completed, restart timer now. So now we can close the application. Now we can remove the power or the USB cable, and when we restore it, we can see the new firmware version on the main screen. We can check the firmware version by pressing home button, going to about menu, and the firmware version is shown on the bottom line here, 1.11.